we have, in brackets, 16 times x to the power of negative 16 raised to a quarter. Now, normally if we had brackets, we know that we can remove the brackets by multiplying the exponents. So this would be x to the power of 2 times 3, and that becomes x to the power of 6. So we are going to take this exponent of a quarter and multiply it with the exponents on the inside of the bracket. But I also notice that I can rewrite 16. So 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. So we actually have 2 to the power of 4, x to the power of negative 16 raised to the power of a quarter. And now we can multiply this quarter with the exponents of the 2 and the x. So it will be 2 to the power of 4 times a quarter times x to the power of minus 16 times a quarter. And that it becomes 2 to the power of 1, x to the power of minus 4. But in algebra, we always want to leave our answers as positive exponents. So I'm using the rule where I can rewrite x to the power of minus 4 as 1 over x to the power of 4.